multiply before they hold every band. Yes, my friend is blowing in the wind. Yes, he's blowing in the wind. Yes, and how many years and a mile from the sea before it is washed to the sea. Yes, and how many years can some people before they're allowed to be free? Yes, and how many times can a man turn his head and pretend that he just doesn't see? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Yes, and how many times must a man get up before he can see the sky? Yes, and how many tears must one man have before he can hear people cry? Yes, and how many deaths will it take to know that too many people have died? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind.